In this video, we're going to learn how to divide a fraction by a whole number. So here you see we have two numbers. We have 3/5, which is our fraction, and of course we have 6, which is our whole number. Now when dividing by a whole number, the easiest thing to do is actually switch the whole number to a fraction. Now all whole numbers as fractions are just themselves over 1. So that's going to give me this next line, 3/5 divided by 6/1. Once I've gotten to this step, all I need to do is employ the keep, change, flip rule to turn this into a multiplication problem, which is much easier to solve. What this means is that I keep the first fraction, I change the division sign into a multiplication sign, and then I flip the second fraction so the numerator and denominator switch. Now that it's a multiplication problem, it's really simple. It's just numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. 3 times 1 is 3, and 5 times 6 is 30. So that gives me 3/30, which can be simplified to 1/10. However, I can also write this as a decimal, and as a decimal it would be 0.1.